To simplify your shipping for your online store, then here's how to use the Sendcloud in 2025 with the ultimate tool for WooCommerce and Shopify. So first is that, of course, if you need to ship something, you just press the ship payment, ship payment, and then edit the personal details that are required. After that is that you need to go back to the or edit the shipping method, which just edit which one you should choose and the telephone number. After that is that you should head on to this page right here, which you can see the shipping information from which country to which country and the parcel weight in kilograms. It also has an optional dimension which you can provide to make your shipping more how do you call this, more precise and specific. After all that is that we have some few shipping rules. You just add new shipping rule, which you can name it international orders, or if it's overseas, then international orders it is, and match all of the conditions of this rule. Then you just click the create button.